Yeah, Bob, I'm telling you, all you gotta do, you just square off those joists, and then once you cut that square and you get your laser up there, you'll be able to nail those. Yeah. No, yeah. All right. Talk to you later, Bob. Bye. You got Bob Vila guy. I'm telling you, time to demo. It's funny. I think on the other. Am I even lit up right now? Let's get some. That's a little better. On the other side of the house, when I was demoing, I was very methodical in my approach. Where over here, I'm kind of just demoing as I want to. Like in the sense that I kind of want to see what that wall looks like with the stone. So I'm going to find out. All right. I got my side done. Why didn't you get your side done?
It's way outside. And I have a bigger wall than you.
Yeah.
Well, and you have a smaller crowbar.
Whoa. So everything's working in my favor, isn't it? I don't have any cool nicknames like Lily the Demo Destroyer, though. With a nickname like that, I don't know. Do you think you'll remember doing this with me?
Yes.
For how long? We'll clean up all the sheetrock mess and then we'll start the shiplap.
Yeah.
I'll give you one guess where the door is. We were getting a lot of dust on the other side, so we had to tape that off. We're going to put tape all the way around once we have enough tape. That is done. Wasn't too bad. I got some shiplap out of it that I can save for something. In this whole house, if the whole thing is shiplap, I would have enough to do like one ceiling or one accent wall. It's just the way it goes. So much of it breaks. But this is cool to have that done. Now, going forward, I can't remove these 2x4s. They go all the way down to something, and it looks like they go all the way up, and they're like the wall even of the upstairs. Someday I'll obviously remove them, but that day will not be today. And as I looked up here, I'll show you. You can see plaster and lath, or at least lath. It's weird I don't see any plaster. That would be great. Just lath is fine. I know some people are saying that it looks huge. I honestly think it's the camera. It's definitely not a small space by any means. It's 25 foot by 17 foot. It's a pretty big space. And it shouldn't really take that long, honestly. The biggest thing is I just kind of want to leave the light so I have some light in here. But we'll see.
In the morning, everything is spent, and I make my way back home.
silly. Hey, not much holding that in. Jeez. Wow. You could call that a mouse nest, I guess. I think that would qualify as a mouse nest. More copper drain line. The big stuff. That's it. I think that's all I'm going to do today too, because by the time I get this cleaned up, it'll be late enough. I could take the ceiling out tomorrow.